Hi guys, I'm Rasmus and I'm here in Slikhaar studio with Renee and Ian. Today we are doing a hairstyle with inspiration from the Danish goalkeeper, Kasper Schmeichel. Are you guys up for it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Okay Ian, today we are inspired by Kasper Schmeichel and you almost have his haircut, but I think we need to freshen it up. So still very short on the sides,
Exactly.
Keep something on the top. But I think you need a very good thinning process because you have a lot of thick hair.
It'll be great.
I'm really on fire tonight. Can't nobody hold me down. I'm doing whatever now. Ain't got no time to fight. I'm talking way too loud. And if you don't like the sound, you could just tune it out. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Telling you that I might never go to sleep, stay up all night, doing just what I like. No more hoping, no, I'm right like this. I don't lie like this. I'm on fire like this. Yeah, him and her and them over there, they looking over here, they giving me a stare like I can't, no. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Floating on my wave, but don't care what you say.
Look how they looking at me. I think they influenced by me. They say they not fucking with me, alright. Wish how they looking at me. She want me to slide for the fling. She want me to show her some things. But right now I'm focused on me doing me. Gotta watch step on the tightrope. I never fall off this light work. Know what people trying to see me down real bad.
I think blue, sweet potato, and 24 hours old.
How you think I'm finna stop? I be protecting my inner child. You could keep all of that dissonance. They be hating on me cause they see I'm gifted. It's all for the soul, your shit 3D printed. I be doing me like I got a blank check. I be ducking shade for the love and respect. Wanna touch stage, cross seas on me. No drama, more flights, next year's looking lit. I'm laid up in somebody's grass. I'm burning the gas to my last breath. Life is so fragile, enjoying the roses so high you can't see me, I'm seated. She wanna beat me, I'm trying to do Fiji. I live on the island alone. I'm trying
to... It's on the wall.
Just say, cause really either way, I'ma do it like that. 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 Yeah, I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it like that.
Yeah, I think she want more than a flame. Want me to give her that moonlight, everything not what it seems. Real one from the jump start, gotta watch step on a tightrope. I never fall off this light work, Lord knows it's God's love your soul.
But don't care what you say, cause really either way, I'ma do it like that.
Good. Before you leave, I need to know a little bit about you. So, what are you doing for living?
I'm actually a body shop technician at Mercedes.
Oh. Nice.
Yeah, actually, pretty fun
Do you
work
like
to
Mercedes
do.
yourself?
Of course I do.
I love Mercedes.
Mercedes is great. Pretty great. I like it. I feel good job.
Thank you.
I think it looks amazing. And guys, remember to write in the comment section down below what you think about the hairstyle. Also like the video and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you next time.